This is your ex is calling crisis ringtone. Please take a moment to remember why you no longer talk to your ex. You have labeled this person as an ex for a reason. X does not mark the spot. X is more like the sign for poison. Think of your ex like a tumor you had recently removed. Would you ever think to yourself, gosh, I sure miss that tumor. Let's put it back in. No, I don't think you would. So why would you answer your phone? To sum it all up, your ex is like a poisonous tumor. Hey, thanks for listening to Your Ex is Calling.